What do we think that everybody's leaving every chain in the world and then doing nothing and just like what we're saturating the Solana chain? No, it's because they have to do that shit to keep it moving so these validators can keep getting paid or they go down is my understanding. So it is what it is, man. Everybody's gonna learn. Everybody's gonna learn. Unfortunately, a lot of people are gonna learn the hard way. And yeah, to each their own. This is a solid reversal candle for Bitcoin on the daily. Reclaim 20 EMA2. Oh, that's good. That's very good. Where's my daily? There we go. Oh yes, bingo bango. Look at that. Well, very nice, very nice. I really do. I'm hoping the bottom is in. I'm hoping we just continue moving up. Listen, I know this is going to sound super nerdy of me, but all I want to do is retire with a game store. I want to open a tabletop gaming store. I want to sit around painting miniatures, learning new models. I want to have big tournaments. I really want to get back into that. And I want to do it in a, oh yeah, there's my Bit Unix link. Dude, Crypto Chef, you're so awesome, man. It's what I really want to do. And I want to, I'm actually probably, whenever I do open my game store, I'll probably like shoot content. I'm going to create a new channel. I want to have like hobbyists that I meet throughout the community. I want to put them on, like doing painting videos and all kinds of fun stuff. But yeah, I just want to nerd out and relax. That's all I want. That's all I want to do. And then when the Tesla bots come out, I want to get a couple of those and I want to open up a Tesla bot shop. That's my other thing. Maybe they'll be next door to each other and I'll just go back and forth. Top of the morning, touche. Crow, curious to know your opinion on Cass. Cass reminds me of Ada and Sui, like Soul for the new gen. I don't know, man. I have some. I don't even remember how much I got. I have some Cass tokens, but I don't even remember where they are. I think I had to get a special wallet and I don't know. Maybe I'll cover it. There's some stuff that I'm going to cover in probably next week. I'm going to do some specialized videos on different projects. Sonic is one that I'm going to be looking at deeper. Because I did a video. It was actually a sponsored segment that I did a few weeks back, and I want to do a follow-up to that that's not even sponsored. I just want to say, was I right? What's Sonic doing? I haven't even looked. And then I just want to go into that, and I want to say, look, this is what I thought of it. This is my initial gut. Let's see how it's doing as things turn around. So Sonic is one. Cash just doesn't seem to be doing that much, man. I mean, there's still a lot of assets out there that just aren't moving. They're just not doing anything. And I know that Cass got a recent pump, I think I saw, but we'll see. But maybe I'll look at Cass and Sonic next week, in addition to everything else that I'd like to do. Yeah, it's been a slow ride. Take it easy. I mean, Ada way more built out, but the hype for Cass is there, extremely fast and completely decentralized. We'll see. Cass had its bull run during the bear. Cass does not have a real use case. I don't even remember. I did a video on Cass at one point, and I can't remember exactly what it all was about. But from what I understand, wasn't it basically like a reboot of Bitcoin? And it all has to be mined with hardware, and it was supposed to be kind of a faster. I don't even remember, man. It's been so long since I've even really looked at Cass, so we'll see. Maybe I'll look at it again next week and do some video segments on them. Maybe next week I'll do a couple videos. I'll cover some news, some of the latest news going on, then I'll cover Cass, and then in another video I'll cover some news and cover Sonic, and then, of course, I'll continue updating with Cardano. It's everything with Cardano is just it's all coming in May, a lot of it. Laos isn't, but all of the stuff that's really important right now that I think is going to really send, because believe it or not, folks, I mean, when Bitcoin OS and IOHK, when they reveal their protocols for basically making Cardano the brain of Bitcoin, that's going to help Bitcoin too. So this isn't just about helping the Cardano ecosystem grow. They're going to help each other because they're basically going to be like one. So it's going to be a really big deal. And I think that that is going to send Cardano like insane. I think if I'm wrong, I'll be absolutely shocked. But I also think it's going to help Bitcoin quite a bit as well, because now Bitcoin is going to have an entire ecosystem full of utility that it's never had. So it can be more than just a store of value. I think it's going to get nuts. I really do. I think this market cycle is going to get nuts. And I think each and every one of us that have held strong and just had the faith and kept the faith and continued pushing through at times when we're all sitting around kind of shaking a little bit, kind of wondering, like, is this really going to play out? Is this going to be a good thing? Are we done? Is it all of it? I think all of that sentiment is going to be whisked away. And I think we're going to have an absolutely insane parabolic bull cycle here. And, I'm waiting for it, but I'm just chilling and I'm waiting and I'm just like praying and praying. I'm like, listen, I can't wait for this to start, because I want to know that my future is secure and that I made the right moves and that everything I've been talking about on my channel for years